Hey guys, my name is Jonas and I'm the GermanCarDude. In today's video, I'm trying to finally figure out and record the top speed of my own BMW 440i convertible. Before, I couldn't quite do that because the speedometer in my BMW only goes up to 263, which is around 250 kilometers in real GPS speed. But now, due to the recent inquiry of a Dragy GPS speedometer, I can finally do that. You will see a real-time GPS speedometer on the lower left in just about a second. So, as you know, when I tuned my BMW to around 400 PS, they also removed the VMAX limit, so it should be able to go way above 250 kilometers per hour. Is the positioning of the GPS in the lower left okay? Please tell me in the comments. In one of my next videos, I will also do some 100 to 200 testing. I will try it right away, so let's go! Driving this fast, you have to be really sure that there are no other cars in your way. I will try this again after I find a free space. Unfortunately, it was getting wet there. And it's way too dangerous to drive a car at this speed in these conditions. So 284 kilometers per hour was the fastest I was able to do on this recording day. That's quite a number already. I guess if the car's speedo would have been able to go that high, it would have shown 300. But giving it some more space and some better conditions, I guess this could do even more. I will try this again on another day, but until then, see you again next time. See, this wheel spin was what I meant when I said that these conditions weren't ideal.